Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Bitcoin because there's some very important things that we need to be paying very close attention to. So without further ado, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, almost at 15,500 subscribers. Let's hop into this video. So guys, right now, Bitcoin is trading at $68,575.44, up about 1.66% on the day. But we did break all-time highs today, and now we're back at 68,000. I'm going to show you in the charts what happened. It's very, very interesting. Bitcoin dominance, 52.11%. When you exclude stablecoins, we're sitting at about 54.11%. I expect this Bitcoin dominance level to increase, guys. As we get closer to this halving, I expect it to increase to anywhere from 55 to 60%. I expect when Bitcoin makes this large move to the upside, it probably absorbs a lot of this liquidity and it flows into Bitcoin. But guys, you know what happens after that? Once we see that move, we start to trade sideways. That's when you're going to see these altcoins make some multiple 10x returns and just big moves to the upside. So I do want to take a look at Bitcoin because, guys, we broke all-time highs today. We broke to $70,000. Just barely. We're looking at the 4-hour time frame in these candles. But what do you know? We came up, bam, got smacked down. Just like what happened over here. We broke all-time highs, bam, smacked down. We're going to be seeing this for a while, guys. Seeing these liquidity flushes. I mean, the leverage is getting flushed out. We break all-time highs. Everybody starts piling in longs right here. Then bam, liquidated. People start shorting right here. Bam, liquidated. It's going to be lots and lots of games like this, and it's going to be very, very difficult. You need to be sitting on your hands. That's why I've been saying for the past couple weeks, probably for the past 2 months or so, honestly, at this point. Time's been flying by. But the most effective strategy right now, in my opinion, is the sitting on the hands, because there's going to be some very big moves that will shake many people out. You would not want to be the guy to be selling down here when we see this wick down to 59,000 just for 4 hours later or a couple days later being back at, say, $70,000. Big moves. And let's measure that out. Let's just measure that out. If you were to sell there, you miss a 20% gain in the span of 2 days, 3 days. It's insane. It's insane. But so what I have right here is this green box. This green box looks quite large on the 4-hour time frame, but this represents about 24 days. And from the previous cycle peaks, when we broke $20,000 in 2020 from our previous cycle peak before that, which was 2017, where we topped out about $17,000, $20,000, we traded for 24 days before we finally broke to the upside to 60,000. And right now, been trading for a few days, and I just put this out there because there's a chance that we see some sort of duplicate of the same price action that we saw in the previous cycle. Maybe we trade for 24 days inside this box before we can finally blast off and make the continuation above $70,000 leading into this halving. Be very appropriate to see. But I do want to emphasize, guys, the halving, in my opinion, could definitely be a time for a pullback. I know you don't want to hear that. You don't want to hear the bearish news. But I do think that this could be a sell the news event. And that being said, I'm not saying, oh, we hit the halving and we just come down and the bull market's over. No. But I am expecting if we do hit this, and it is a sell the news event, we get a quick move to the downside with a little bit longer of a correction before we can start to make our way back to the upside towards maybe the Q3 of 2024. Guys, we're still early. We're breaking all-time highs before the halving. It's quite the spectacle. It's breaking the 4-year cycle, hypothetically speaking. Well, technically speaking, we are breaking the 4-year cycle with this price move, breaking previous highs before the halving. Let's see what happens after the halving in this next 4-year cycle. But all in all here, guys, pay attention to the halving being a sell the news event, potentially. It's always good to be taking profits on the way up. That's my strategy, but you should find a strategy that works out best for you. what makes you the most money, and what makes you hold on to those profits, because until you take profit, it's just a number on a screen, guys. Just a number on a screen, and it can disappear as fast as you get it. But I do want to take a quick look at Crowcoin as well, because Crowcoin, man, it's going to be nice to see Crowcoin break above 20 cents and hold that line. I'm not expecting that to play out until we kind of break above that $70,000 price level on Bitcoin. Let Bitcoin steal the show a little bit, gain that Bitcoin dominance, let Bitcoin dominance rally to say 57, 60% around that area. And then we'll start to see Crowcoin make some moves. Once Bitcoin makes that big move to the upside, trade sideways, even maybe pull back a little bit, get that retail hyped up, we'll probably see Crowcoin make a move at that 20 cents. I really would like to see a breakout above this 20 cents and a retest and a resumption off. And then you know where we're headed, guys? To the 50-cent price level. I talked about it in my video yesterday. That is definitely on the table, and that's what we need to be paying close attention to. We're at the point in the market, guys, right now where things move fast. The rotations move fast. You're going to see the money flow into Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance is going to rally very, very quickly. Then it's going to come down fast. You're going to see Ethereum run really quickly, and the rotations are going to get faster and faster and faster because we're in a bull market, and more people now than ever are aware of these 4-year cycles and the rotational market. You need to be aware of how everybody is thinking of this market. You need to be aware of where everybody is thinking, what everybody believes is going to happen next. Because to be quite frank, when you believe that everybody believes something, that's probably not the trade. Just saying. But if you like this type of content, guys, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Also, please check out some awesome referral links we have down below. We have a $4,100 sign-up bonus to Femex. All you got to do is click the link, deposit, trade a little bit, get a bunch of free money. Also, please go follow me on Twitter at 333Blacksea. I'm very active over there. Going to be doing some giveaways very soon. Super excited about that. That's all I got for you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.